Hey dudes and dudettes, I got a package delivered to me today. Let's open it up. Plastic fantastic. It's a drone. It's the latest drone from Parrot. It's called Mambo. And it looks like this. I'm gonna do an unboxing video for you. Take a look inside. So, this is one of the sides, and this is the other side. And on this side you can see you can control it through your cell phone. So, let's open it up. Okay. This is what it looks inside. You have your manual here. And I have a USB. Broke the... Okay. Some plastic balls. And here's the drone itself. The weight on this thing is absolutely insane because it feels like a, I don't know, piece of paper or something. Very light. Let's see what we else have here. I'm gonna do it like this. I'll take that one later. Some plastic. The battery. I think I'm gonna use a scissor. Be right back. I found a golden scissor. And this here is the grappling hook. And for those who don't know anything about this drone has two features beside of flying, obviously, but it has a grappling hook which you can mount to the drone, so you can pick up stuff and drop up stuff. And you also have a cannon. Every drone should have a cannon. Let's see if I can. This looks like this. You put balls, the green balls, which I got here. You take these, and put them in here. You can fire them away. Oh. I'm gonna, inside of the box I have something in here. Let's see what this is. Do it yourself. Okay, I think this is some kind of stickers that you could put on your drone. And this is a quick start guide as well. And you have your stickers here. Now I'm gonna charge my drone and I'm gonna fly around it. If you wanna see me fly the drone, please check out the next video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channels for more videos like this, and please leave a comment or hit the like button. Thank you.